When you have one single AI use case or a few inside your organization, being compliant with what the EU AI Act stipulates is not easy, but it's doable, and you can actually assess your risk pretty straightforward and report on it. However, as more and more organizations are scaling their AI, it increasingly becomes more complex. It becomes more complex from the number of AI use cases they have inside the organization, dispersed over multiple domains and multiple groups of peoples and lines of businesses. But you will also have the complexity inside the AI use cases themselves as AI maturity is growing. It becomes more and more difficult to assess continuously what your risk is and how changes are happening inside those use cases, or inside the data, or inside the model that you're using in those use cases. For organizations, it becomes really important to really use AI governance to keep track of all that and be continuously up to date.
This is what your typical AI governance committee or AI governance council could look like to make sure that all topics related in the data space and in the AI development and deployment space are centralized in one steering body where the right stakeholders of the company come together to address these topics. Because AI is a very interdisciplinary topic, so there is barely one stakeholder that can manage artificial intelligence within an organization. So there is the Chief Information Security Officer from a cybersecurity perspective, there's the risk officer, compliance officer, the CIO from a software development and governance perspective, but also the business representatives from the various business divisions of the company that will use and execute AI systems, and other stakeholders as well. So it's very important to diligently identify the right stakeholders in your organization, and it may vary from organization to organization, and make sure that these key stakeholders have a seat at the same table and can have the same discussions around AI to make sure that it is executed in a unified way.